Welcome to RC Industry.
Well, Dennis has been here and done his magic. So we got new floors up here now. And carpet in the bedrooms. Looks real nice. They even put carpet in there. That's awesome. Got the wood floor here and carpet in this room. Alright. Show you more. Hey, it's Rick here. Well, I wanted to address a couple of the comments that I had on a video that I actually put out about a year ago where I was wearing my Mega hat. And the guy basically told me that I had some sort of a deranged problem and that it was probably due to the fact that I had that crazy hat on and that I didn't know what I was talking about when working on my van. So I've never had any negative comments on that video, and there's been almost 9,000 people look at that video, and we probably had, I don't know, 10 or 15 comments on it, all positive. So today I thought I would just wear my 2020 hat. If you want, to think that I'm deranged, that's fine. You go for it. You don't have to watch this channel. I never asked you to anyway. So with that being said, today what I thought I would do is we would put the trim down around the upstairs where Dennis and his crew put the flooring down. And then I want to work on the ceiling down here. I started on the ceiling, getting it put up, and you can probably see it up here already. So I'll kind of show you what I'm doing with that. So, again, I appreciate all of the comments, and you folks are all going to be entered into the drawing once we reach 100 viewers. I think we're up to 62 or 63 right now, something like that. So we need to get about 38, 39 more people, and then I'll take all of the comments, not the comments themselves, but I'll take your names from the comments or the people that left the comments, and we'll put your name in the hat, and then we'll do a drawing, and we will try. I think we're going to try to do it live, and then you'll have to contact me once I announce the winner, so we can do some emailing, and I'll get you that Home Depot gift card coming to you. So, all right. With that being said, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy. Okay. Well, what I'm going to do is we're going to measure this piece across here, and then we're going to go down and cut it, and then we're going to install it. And then I'll turn the camera around and we'll come over here and I'll show you how to do a corner, because we got to run a piece from here, and then I'll have a 45 cut and then over to here. So, alright, and I think I already showed you this, but we put carpet in the bedrooms, and then this snap together flooring, or whatever you want to call it, laminate, up here on the landing. So I say we, Dennis and his crew did it, not me. But anyway, alright, so I'll get set up and show you more. Looks like about 51 and a half. I wanted that to stick over there, that one never stuck. Alright, 51.5. Alright. Okay, 51.5.
Julie is on her private Facebook page, the place to go if you want to talk about Ramsey. The Ramsey Baby Steps Community. It's a private Facebook page. We will let you join. Quite a few people in there. There's approaching 200,000 in there having conversations about this. Big deal. The Ramsey Baby Steps Community is the official Facebook.
Well, I guess I'll plug this thing in and make it work a little better, wouldn't it?
Is there ever a time when a 30-year mortgage is better than a 15? No. If you can't afford it on a 15, you can't afford the house. If you currently own a house and the only way to keep from getting foreclosed on or bankrupt is to refinance on a 30, yeah, you probably do that, but it's not better than. There's no tolerated an extreme situation where I would tell you to do that.
Okay, there's that piece. Alright, now let's get this one measured over here. Okay. Now we're going to measure from the corner here over to where we want it to end at this doorway. But we're going to cut a 45 on this corner. So we are at 38 and 7/8. Alright, so let's go cut that. We're going to set this 45-degree angle up for the first cut. Okay. And then we're going to do 38 and 7/8. And I measured that from this outside corner here, okay, 38 7/8 out. Now we've got to put our saw back straight. Okay, let's go put that up there. That's putting them down there a little hard. I'm going to back that off a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to measure that across there, which looks like it's going to be 31 7/8. So let's go cut that. Now this time, we want to put the angle the other direction on the opposite end. And we're going to do 31 7/8. Okay, let's go put this up there. Okay. Okay. You can see at the corner, and that just covers up the gaps in the flooring. And it also, this is a free floating floor, so it also keeps that floor from wanting to move around. So, anyway, alright, we'll get the rest of it done there, and I got a little spot right over here to do. And then we'll work on that ceiling downstairs. Okay, show you more. Okay, what I'm doing is using this shiplap, the Chip and Joanna stuff here, but it is pretty fashionable, and I like it myself. So I'm going to get all this put up here, and then I'm going to paint it just with regular ceiling paint, so it's kind of an not an off-white, but a flat white color. And I think it's going to make the house look longer, because if you remember, I took out these transoms that were here. Well, this one had a transom, and that one had an arch, but it was kind of a weird thing, the way the arch was set up. If you look back at some of the other videos, you'll see that. But now it looks like, when you're standing at the front door, all of this is open all the way back. It makes it feel like it is anyway. Obviously it's not, the walls are still here, but it was a good way to open this up, or give it more of an open feeling. So, with that being said, I'm going to run my flooring the same direction, so it looks long when you walk in the front door. And that's why I'm running this board the length as well, so that it makes you feel like the house is actually longer than it is. So right now it's, let's see, it's 12 and 12 is 24, so it's like, and then add about 4 feet to that, so, well, about 3 feet to that, so 24, 25, 26, 27, so it's like 27 feet from the front door all the way to the kitchen wall. So not very big, but you know, it's better than nothing. So anyway, so I'm going to get my nailer, and we're going to start putting some of this up. Alright. And the other thing I didn't tell you about this wood is this is actually cull lumber from my local Home Depot. So I get it 70% off. And because it'll have, like, the ends will be broke, so I have to cut them off a little bit or something. So it takes a little more work. But, you know, for 70% less on the cost of the piece of the board, it's well worth it to me. So.
Children and their
basically what we got. And then you just butt up to that and go on. And like I said, when you're here at the front door and you look in, you walk in, see that's nice and long all the way back through there. So anyway, all right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, be sure and share with your friends this link, and subscribe and make your comments. Hit the little thumbs up arrow and ring the bell. That seems to do some kind of magical thing in there too. So ring that bell, and that way you'll get notifications on the next video that comes out. So anyway, have a great 2020, and I will do the same. Bye. Okay, well, today we're going to talk about encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.